Welcome to this introduction to NumPy. NumPy is one of the most important libraries you'll encounter in your Python programming journey. In this video, we'll explore what NumPy is, why it's essential, and how it forms the foundation of data science and scientific computing in Python. Let's start with the basics. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It's a powerful library specifically designed for numerical computing and scientific calculations in Python. Think of NumPy as your go-to tool whenever you need to work with numbers, perform mathematical operations, or handle large datasets efficiently. You might be wondering why we need NumPy when Python already has built-in data structures. Here's why NumPy is so valuable. First, it's extremely fast, even when working with large datasets containing millions of numbers. Second, it supports powerful mathematical and statistical operations that would be complex to implement from scratch. Third, and most importantly, NumPy is the essential foundation for data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. Almost every data science library, you'll use builds on top of NumPy. At the heart of NumPy is a special object called the ndarray, which stands for n-dimensional array. This is NumPy's primary data structure. An ndarray is a powerful container that can store elements in multiple dimensions, whether it's a one-dimensional list of numbers, a two-dimensional table, or even higher dimensional data. The key characteristic is that all elements in an ndarray must be of the same data type, which is one reason why NumPy is so fast. Let's compare Python lists with NumPy arrays to understand the difference. Python lists are general-purpose containers that can hold mixed data types like numbers, strings, and objects together. However, they're slower when performing numerical operations. NumPy arrays, on the other hand, are lightning fast because they're optimized for numerical computations. They require all elements to be of the same type, which is called homogeneous typing. While Python lists are great for general programming, NumPy arrays are specifically focused on numerical and scientific computing tasks. Getting started with NumPy is incredibly simple. You just need to install it using pip, Python's package manager. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install numpy. Press enter, and pip will download and install NumPy along with all its dependencies. This works on Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. Once NumPy is installed, you need to import it in your Python code before you can use it. The standard convention that everyone in the Python community follows is to import NumPy as np. This means you're importing the NumPy library and giving it a shorter alias. np using this alias makes your code cleaner and easier to write. Whenever you want to use a NumPy function, you'll simply type np dot followed by the function name. Let's recap what we've learned. NumPy stands for Numerical Python and is designed for scientific computing. It provides fast and efficient array operations that are significantly faster than regular Python lists. NumPy serves as the foundation for data science and machine learning, with libraries like pandas, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow all building on top of NumPy. It's truly an essential tool in every Python developer's toolkit, especially if you're working with numerical data, performing calculations, or entering the fields of data science and machine learning. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into creating and manipulating NumPy arrays.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.